Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to fix system boxes not found on TikTok Live. The first thing you have to do is to update your TikTok account by going to your Play Store app or App Store, depending on your device. Having done that, you just have to come to your TikTok, log in to your TikTok account, and click on the plus icon. Click on the live option and click on go live. Clicking on go live, you're going to see, so right here on my screen, I just have to click on the plus icon, click on settings option in order to select the number of box I'm looking for. There is no system box here, so what I have to do is to go back to my home page of my TikTok live screen and click on the host option in order to expand it, and click on the enhance option after screenshotting it and inviting 8 people. So I just have to click on the green background and click on the plus icon in order to add the screenshot of the first 8 people that I invited to my TikTok live. So you can see, so you are going to invite total of 16 people to this live, and when you add the first screenshot of the first 8 people on your host page, is going to look like this. If you count it, you see it's up to 16 now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you see it's up to 16. So you can see people are already getting attracted to it and they're already joining my live. So guys, that is it. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.